Hey there, happy Monday. I am starting keto and I'm on my lunch now. This is what I got. I just got a regular, whoa, I don't know what's going on here, but it's a lettuce wrap, protein style burger, 2 patties and whatnot. So I'm gonna grab on this for lunch. And yeah. So I'm on my way to my sister's house and we're just gonna talk business and eat some good food. Hi there, so today is Wednesday and it's day 3 as far as keto. So I am transitioning into keto and I did get some Jack in the Box. So I got a lettuce wrap, a double Jack lettuce wrap. Just a lettuce wrap with some ranch on the side. Okay. So this is my collagen. I've been using this ever since I started keto, honestly. I used to go with the brand Perfect Keto with their collagen, but it was too expensive and I found this one and it works really well. I get this at Costco. This one is the 24 ounce and it's I believe $30 at Costco, whereas if you go anywhere else for the smaller one is $30 as well. So I put this on my tea as well as this MCT oil, and this is what really gets me going and like I feel it clear my stomach. Okay, like I need to go to the restroom ASAP as possible, because if not, you hear my stomach going grrr. So these two are what I put in my coffee, and then this is my little tea bag. This is a tea that I actually like to drink. It's the green tea. I'll have 2 of these and yeah, that's this and that with some sweetener. I'll call it a day. And then for lunch today, I am taking this salad, just lettuce, rotisserie chicken with some bacon in there, and then an extra little wing. As well as over here, I have some of the salt and pepper chicharron, and then these are jalapeno parm crisps. These are not that good, but I mean, I spent $3 on them, so I'm gonna eat that, and then with some Caesar dressing that I'm just gonna take. I don't have any Tupperware because everything is gone. Boom. This one is clear too, but if we open this one, boom, the rest of the stuff, the good stuff, the alcohol. So these hurt me, these two, because these are my drink of choice. Anyways, this started from one thing and it's leading to another. This is the pancake mix that I would use before. And yeah, let me show you the sweetener that I use. This is the sweetener that I have been using. It's this stevia. And yeah, I'll use about 3 or 4 pumps of this, just depending on how much I want it. And then this is all my keto stuff as well. This too, sugar-free. But if you guys want me to go into well, I'll just go into detail. Okay, so I haven't had this pancake mix, so I'm gonna try it today while I'm at work. All it requires is some water and heat it up for 30 seconds, and this is the pancake chocolate chip one, so I'm so excited. Ooh, I could definitely put my MCT oil and collagen in this. I just have an idea. So and this is vanilla, so I can only imagine. I remember when me and my sister would make 1-minute mug cakes and we would just put the MCT oil. Freaking bomb. Also, one of my favorite snacks has to be pepperoni. Me and my fiance, when he was here, we love to watch fights together, so we got a big tray of cheese and crackers. So I also just bought some cheese because it's just what I like to eat. Okay, I digress. I have to go to work already, so I will see you guys later.